Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this warm blueberry cast iron cake. It's moist and light and it's a great treat that's super easy to make. Let's start with buttering our 8-inch cast iron skillet. Just take a knob of room temperature butter and rub it onto the pan using a paper towel. This recipe also works great with other fruits like blackberries and raspberries. When I was growing up, my mom would make a version of this cake with cranberries and apples that I would eat all to myself. Now we can beat 2 eggs into a separate container. This will make it easier to incorporate the eggs later on. Now we need to mix together a half a cup of sugar and 1/3 cup of butter. The butter should be room temperature, which will make it easier to mix everything together. And this is what you're looking for. Your butter and sugar should make a nice smooth creamy mixture. Then all you need to do is add in your eggs and start mixing that in. I also add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we add in 1 teaspoon of kosher salt and 1/3 cup of oil. Next we add in 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and then mix everything together. Then we add in 1/3 cup of crystallized ginger. This is my little secret ingredient, and then add in 1 cup of blueberries and fold everything in. This is what you're looking for, a nice thick batter that holds everything in its place without running all over. The last thing we need to do is add all of our batter into our 8-inch cast iron skillet and then put it in a 350-degree oven for 35 to 40 minutes. And here we go, a golden brown warm blueberry cast iron cake. Let it cool down a little bit and then make it snow with powdered sugar on top. Thanks for watching my video on how to make a warm blueberry cast iron cake. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Leave me a comment and let me know which videos you'd like to see me make next. See you next time.